Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about the freeze pane function for Microsoft Excel. So what the freeze panes function does is it lets you navigate your Excel spreadsheet while allowing you to always see certain columns or rows while you're doing so. And so you can see in this Excel spreadsheet right now, I've got the row 1 has just simply the days of the months, January, February, March, April, etc. And the first column has just years from 2000 all the way down to 2029. And so what we're going to do here is freeze these panes so that you can always see certain information while you're working on your spreadsheet. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the View tab up here, and you look under the Window group, and what you'll notice is there is the Freeze Panes button. If you click on it, you'll notice three options: Freeze Pane, Freeze Top Row, and Freeze First Column. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start from the bottom. So Freeze First Column. If you click on that, you'll notice that the first column, column A, is frozen. So no matter how far I go to the right, I will always see that first column, no matter what. And then if you go back up to Freeze Panes, you're going to go Freeze Top Row. And what that means is no matter how far down I go, I will always see row 1. So no matter how far up or down I go, you'll always see row 1. So those two are fairly simple. Now you can also do the unfreeze pane like I just did to take it back to normal. Now the thing that is a little trickier is where it says freeze panes, because basically the question is how do you know which pane you're going to freeze? And that's actually simple once you understand what it means. Essentially what it means is when you click the Freeze Panes button, you will always see the row above the cell that you have selected, and you will always see the column to the left of the cell that you have selected. So the basic one here is if I'm going to click on B2 and then go to Freeze Panes and then click Freeze Panes, no matter how far to the right I go, I'm always going to see column 1. And no matter how far down, or column A, and no matter how far down I go, I'm always going to see row 1. And if you go to Freeze Panes and click Unfreeze Panes, and if you select some other area, so let's say E8 here, we're going to go to Freeze Panes, and you'll notice this line here is no matter how far down I go, I'm always going to see row 7. And so you just go down there, you're always going to see row 7. And no matter how far to the right I go, I'm always going to see column A, B, C, and D. And so that's pretty much how the Freeze Panes function works. So thanks for watching my video, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have yourself a great day.